Imagine starting up a new YouTube channel and within 2 months you've crossed 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and you are ready to apply for the YouTube monetization program. That sounds impossible, right? Yes, it actually sounds impossible, but the truth is this is what a lot of small creators are doing right now. Some others are not able to achieve this because they are looking in the wrong direction. They are spending months chasing subscribers, buying fake engagements, or uploading videos every single day without seeing any results. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way you can get monetized on YouTube in 30 days. Yes, within these 30 days, you're going to get your 1,000 subscribers, you're going to get your 4,000 watch hours. This is something that have worked for me and is working for so many other people. This is something you should start trying right now. In fact, some persons, it even took them less than 30 days. And I'm going to be showing you 2 strategies that you should do consistently for 30 days. Consistently for 30 days, and your monetization will never remain the same. The one hack is going to work for subscribers, and the second hack is going to be working for your 4,000 watch hours. Now, before you get too excited, you need to calm down first of all. These 2 methods are no doubt very powerful, but they also come with some disadvantages that I'm going to be sharing at the middle of this video. So I will implore you not to skip so much in this video because I'm going to be sharing the pros and cons of this fastest method to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in order to monetize your channel within 30 days or even less than 30 days. Okay, because if you don't know those cons and pros, you're literally going to get your 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and after monetization, your channel will begin to struggle. So please pay attention to this part very well. These 2 methods are literally going to be giving you subscribers. In fact, before 30 days, you can get up to 5,000 subscribers, 6,000 subscribers. It works like magic, guys, but you have to do it the right way. And I'm going to be sharing everything inside this video. As at the time I applied for monetization, my channel was having over 5,000 watch hours. And this strategy is part of what I applied. Other persons have been sharing, like I said from the beginning. So it is definitely going to work for you if you do it consistently. All of these features you're going to be using is right inside your YouTube studio. You don't even need to stress yourself. Go to my screen right now. I'll walk you through these features that can actually help you get your subscribers very fast. And after that, I'm going to show you how you can also get your 4,000 watch hours very fast. And then after that, I'm going to come back and share the pros and cons and how you can actually ensure that you utilize these things very well so that it will not affect your channel. With that much being said, let's head over to my screen, guys. So I'm going to be talking about how you can get your 1,000 subscribers very fast. Now, so for you to get your 1,000 subscribers very fast, go to your YouTube. Go to YouTube. So this is my YouTube logo. Okay. Now, once you come to YouTube, you go to the short session. Okay, go down here and look for the short session.
If you create AI stories.
Now, what you're going to be doing here is to be looking for shorts that has a high number of views. High number of views, high number of reactions, high number of engagement, basically. Just type trending shorts. Trending shorts. Okay. Now, once you type trending shorts, now we're going to be looking for shorts that are actually trending. You can see this one has 199 views and then it was posted 1 year ago. Now you can see this one has 253 views. Let's go. This one has 332 views. Please do not use this one. Do not use this one. Any short, if you're making use of any shorts, in fact, even when you come here, just tap on the shorts section here so that it will be showing you only shorts and not long form videos. Okay. Now, this short has 13 million views. This one has 59 views. And then this one was posted 11 months ago. This is, just look for recent videos posted months ago or a year ago. Don't use videos that have trended and passed, okay? This one was posted 9 months ago and it has 125 million views. So let's tap on this one. Now, once you tap on the video, you play it, okay? Just ensure you play the video. And before that, also ensure you take note of the title. New fashion trick unlocked. New fashion trick unlocked, because the title is exactly what you're also going to be using in your video. Now, one thing about using this method is that it is literally going to show your video in front of the audiences of this particular channel that is going viral, okay? And those people are literally going to watch it because it is something interesting. Okay, so look above here. You can see this You can see this video has gotten 635k reaction, 1950 comments. It actually shows that there's something there. So if you see this plus icon, tap on it. Okay, once you tap on the plus icon, you're going to see use this sound, collab, green screen, cut this video. Now you can either use the sound. Is either you use the sound to do your video, or you use the collab, or use the bot. A lot of times the collab feature actually works. Click on collab. So once you click on collab, you're going to see something like this. Okay? Now click on next. Remember, you need to take note of the title, new fashion trick unlocked. Take note of the title. And now after clicking on next, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, tap on this place that I'm just pointing right now, and it's going to bring you to this layout interface. Just select a layout. You can select left, right, top, or bottom. Okay, so for me, I'm gonna leave it on that right. Okay, click on right. It's going to bring you to this interface, right? Then just click on the red button for it to play. Just wait for it to play till the very end of this video. Okay, allow it to play, and just be patient for it to load, and then it will bring you to this place. Okay, so just go ahead and click on next, right? Now you're going to play the video. After playing the video, you just be showing yourself playing. Okay, now click on next. Once you click on next, you come to this part here. Click on the icon and ensure you pick a very catchy portion of the video. Look for a very catchy portion of the video. For this video, I think this is the catchy portion of it. So just click on the icon there and then title it. Give it the same title that you saw in the video. New fashion trend unlocked. Okay, give it the same thing that you've given it to the same title that was given to that video. Okay, after that, input your description, related video. Okay, you see this related video here. This is if you have a long form video, tap on your related video and then input any of your long form video there. Okay, just tap on any of your long form video. By so doing, you're also going to be getting views. Add it to playlist. Okay, if you have a playlist, I have a video on this channel to teach you how to create a playlist in case you don't have, because it also helps a lot. Okay, and then you upload your shots. You see this 1000 subscribers method I just showed you? A lot of creators have been using this method to get their 1000 subscribers very fast. That is why you're going to see some persons have over 50,000 subscribers, and they are small channels, and that 50,000 subscribers was gotten within, in fact, less than 1 month. So this method is a sure banker. It is going to work for you if you do it consistently, following these steps that I've actually shown you. Now I'm going to go over to my screen and also show you how you can get your 4,000 watch hours very fast. And we're going to be using the screencast feature in YouTube Live. You're going to be going live at least 3 times in a week, and trust me, you are not going to be appearing on your camera. Now, this is a very easy way to go live. You're only going to be screencasting your screen. You're going to be using a pre-recorded video. I will always advise, in case you don't even have strength to start uploading videos anyhow, you can use AI. Use AI to make interesting videos you can actually loop in your phone. And that looping can actually play for up to 11 hours. All you need to do is to ensure your phone is properly charged, plug it. It's advisable for you to do this screencasting from 12 p.m. because I notice that anytime I come live by that period, people usually join the live very well, or unlike mostly in the midnight. And night also works as well. So just do it consistently and see the time that actually works for you, because for different people, different time actually work for them. Like, just do it consistently. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually upload a pre-recorded video. You can literally use a video that is not doing well on your channel, that you know that the algorithm has lost hope over it. Okay, just download it and then loop it. Download the VLC player. The VLC player actually has where you can actually loop your video. You loop it and you're good to go. Okay, you can also decide to use redos. You can decide to use redos for this kind of video. All you need to do is to get a redo, go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT to transform this redo for you so that it's going to be solely yours. I'm going to head over to my screen right now and show you how you can use a pre-recorded video to go live consistently and get your 4,000 watch hours. Let's head over to my screen, guys. Let's assume you have a video on your channel that you just want to download and use for this pre-recorded video. All you need to do is to tap on YouTube. Now, once you tap on YouTube, click on the plus icon. So once you click on the plus icon, you click on hide video so that your face is not going to show because you're doing a pre-recorded video, right? You're not staying on the live. Click on the pencil icon. Once you click on the pencil icon, you come down here, tap on this part here. Now, before you even come to this place, you must have created a very catchy thumbnail, a thumbnail about what your video is all about. Okay, just see, you can literally use any video in your niche to do this. You can use a video in your niche, you can use a video that is not in your niche. That's one thing about this. That's why I mentioned you can use redo, you can use all the storytelling videos that people watch a lot. You can use your tutorial, you can use whatever is in your niche to do it. Okay, so you must have done your thumbnail. Just click on upload thumbnail. Okay, after that, input your title and then scroll down. You're going to see screencast. See this part that says screencast, turn it on. Once you turn it on, it's going to bring you to this interface. Okay, you say click on no, it's not made for kids, and then click on next. Now this place says, it says when you are sharing, recording, or casting an app, YouTube has access to anything shown or played on that app. So be careful with things like passwords. Now this place is actually saying that the moment I click start, or the moment you click start, right, you can no longer, everything on your phone is going to be showing. So ensure that you already have your video in place. You've already looped your video using a VLC player. And now when you now want to select the video from your gallery, just go to your VLC player and click on the video you've already looped. Now when you loop a video, it allows it to play for a very long hours. Just ensure it plays for at least 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 11 hours. So that because the longer it stays there, the more people are going to click on it. Okay, now if I click on start, my phone is going to stop recording. Okay, my screen is going to stop recording. I don't know why. But then the next thing you are going to do is that it's going to lead you to your gallery. So just go to your gallery, select the video you want to use. You're also going to see a YouTube icon there that says live. Just play around it, click on live, and then your video will start recording. Now, this is what I'm saying. So once you click on the next part to bring you to this place and it's showing your gallery, so just scroll and look for your VLC player in this part here. Once you see your VLC player, you play that video from there and click on go live. Now, another way to restream your videos is to go to restream, go to Google and search for restream. Okay, so this is restream here. Restream is actually an external app if you don't want to use the YouTube app. Okay, it is a free an external app. You can actually restream your videos for free. And one thing about this app is that it works best with the laptop, but you can also use your phone as well. Just that most times it hangs, so it's best to always use the YouTube screencast. And if you don't have the YouTube screencast, you can always try to update your phone, update your YouTube app. So guys, do this consistently and in 30 days, you're going to get monetized. Now, I said I'm going to talk about the pros and cons. Now, the pros and cons of all this is that a lot of times you are remixing, especially for getting your 1,000 subscribers, a lot of times you are remixing to videos that are not in your niche. By so doing, you're going to gather subscribers that are not interested in your long form videos. When you post your long form videos, those people may not want to watch it. But the way you can actually avoid this is that as you're doing your remix feature to get your 1,000 subscribers, also ensure you post at least 3 long form videos every week. As you're doing restream to get your 4,000 watch hours using screencast or restream, also ensure you keep on posting your long form videos. So that as you're getting your 4,000 watch hours from the stream, you're also getting watch hours and building a loyal community from your long form video. Okay, a lot of persons have done this and they don't get affected when they finally get monetized. Once they post their long form videos, they have an audience that is watching it. But if you just focus on doing restream and then you easily get your 4,000 watch hours, and then you focus on doing collab, you easily get your 1,000 subscribers or even more than 1,000 subscribers, and you're not uploading long form videos consistently, you're going to struggle after monetization. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.